Hello guys, welcome back to ELP. Today's topic would be multiplication of those numbers whose unit digits when added give rise to 10 and their tens digit is the same. So let's begin. So units digit when added give 10 and tens or hundreds place is the same in both the multiplicants. So let's begin. Let's take an example. First, let's say 25 into 25. That's your 25 square. Many of you all know this method. But this 25 square can be written as 5 into 5, that's 25, and over here the tens units digit when added 5 plus 5 give rise to 10. So the method is you multiply these two digits directly. So 5 into 5 is 25, you write, and then 2 into 3 means the 2 multiplied by the next digit. Next digit is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 625 is your answer. Simple. So let's take say 85 square. So what it would be? Just write 5 into 5 25 and 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is 72. So answer is 7225. Suppose third example, suppose you can say as 125 square. What would you write this as? 5 into 5 is 25 and 12, and the next digit of 12 is 13. So 12 into 13 is 156. So answer is 15625. Understood? So now suppose say 1025 square. What this would be? Same again. 102 is your 5. So what you write? 25 and 102 into 103. Now you know in your first lecture 1 what I taught you all, how to multiply two numbers whose value is close to a base value of 10 or 100 or 1000 so on. So this is very easy to find out. Now the multiplication of 102 into 103, what you will write this as? So this is how much higher than 100? Plus 2. How much higher than 100? Plus 3. What you had to do in that method? You had to add this 2. What would this be? 105, and then you had to multiply this 2. So it would be 3 into 2 6, and since the base value is 100, what you have to put external 0. So it is 10506. So this is the answer, 1050625. So you see the methods are interrelated. The method you have learned before can be used for further calculations. So you should know all the methods. So please watch all the previous videos in series so as to you apply those methods to simplify your further calculations, right? So this was when you're finding the squares of the numbers. Now let's suppose say, but the condition is what over here? The unit digits when added gives rise to 10. So this is a special case when 25 square, 85 square. This you can a special case when directly you can 5 plus 5 10. So now let's take another one, which is say suppose 27 into 23. What is this? Tens place is same and unit digits when added give rise to 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. So what you have to do? What you had done there? 5 into 5 25. So you multiply these two. Multiply. So what it be? What it would be? 21. And then 2. The next digit is 3. So 2 into 3 6. So answer is 621. Simple, very easy. So now let's take another example. Say 88 into 82. So over here again, unit digits when added give rise to 10, and the tens digit is same. So same method can be applied. What you have to do? Multiply these two. So 8 2s are 16. Then you multiply this guy with the next digit of 8, that's 9. 8 9s are 72. So answer is 7216. Very simple, right? Now let's take another one. Let's say 92 into 98. You know to solve this question with the previous method which is taught to you in the session 1. But yes, we can solve this by this method as well, because your 10th digit when added is equal to 10. So what you do? Multiply. So 8 2s are 16 and 9, the next digit is into 10. 9 10s are 90. So the answer is 9016. Simple. So now this was the case when your 10th unit digits when added give rise to 10. But is the method not applicable when your digits added, units and 10th digit both added give rise to maybe 100? Can't we use this method? Yes, you can use this method. So let's take an example of that to give you a feel of it. So let's take one, say easy example, say 191 into 109. So what you can see over here, the tens and unit digits when added of both the number multiplicants gives rise to 100. 91 plus 9 is 100. So what you have to do, the same logic applies over here as well. So 91 into 9. 91 nines is how much? 819. But remember, since this is you are taking 2 digits of both the numbers, you have to have 4 digits over here. Since you have only 3 digits, you have to add an additional 0 over here. So now you multiplied this, and now this is the one which is remaining. So 1 into the next digit, 1 into 2, that is 2. So answer is 20819. Remember over here, after multiplication you should have 4 digits. Similarly, in the previous case you had to have compulsorily 2 digits. Over here, see, you have to have compulsory 2 digits. Now suppose there's a case when the previous over here, I'll take another example. Suppose say 91 into 99. What would it be? Same. Unit digits when added give rise to 10. So what it 1 nines are 9. But since here tens unit digit 2 are multiplied, you should have minimum 2 digits over here. So what you have to do? You have to add additional 0 here, and then multiply this guy with 10s. 9 tens are 90. So answer is 9009. So remember, here you have to compulsorily have 2 digits. Here you have to have compulsorily 4 digits. So let's take another example. Let's say 884 into 816. So what you can see over here, 84 plus 16 gives rise to 100. So we can apply the same method. What you have to do? Multiply this 2. So 84 16 is how much? If you solve, you will get 1344. And what you do with this? Multiply with the next digit. That's 9. And here you already got 4, so you don't 4 digits, so you don't need to add additional 0. And yeah, 8 9s are 72. So 72. So the answer is 721344. Let's take another example for last example for the day. Let's say 793 into 707. So same here, when digits added give rise to 100, and the unit and this 100 unit places 100 places same. So you can apply the method. So 93 into 7. 93 into 7 is 650. 651. But since there is only 3 digits over here, you have to add external 0. And this 7 into 8. That is 56. So answer is 56051. 651. Right? So very easily you are able to solve the multiplication when your tens unit digits when added give rise to 10, or when your tens and unit digits when added gives rise to 100, and the thousands place is the same in both the multiplicants. Yes, you know understood the necessities, right? That these 2 digits when added give rise to 100, and this digit should be same. Only then this rule is applicable. So that's how you are able to solve this type of multiplications. That's all for today. If you have liked the video, please give a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.